Hey friends, if you wish to find and lock a lost Windows 11 laptop, then please watch this video. But it is only possible if you're logged into the Microsoft account. So we have a feature called Find My Device. Simply search for it in the Windows search bar and open it. And make sure that this switch is on here. Okay, and if this was on, which it is by default, then log into a different computer with the same Microsoft account and click on see all your devices linked to the account. Okay, and then it will take you to this page and it will show all the devices which are linked to that. And let's say I wish to find this device, so I'll click on find my device and it will show the exact location where it is located. Like it says Tower 10 Paras here. That is exactly my address. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.